Hello guys, we're at Irving Nature Park right now. Just trying to see if I can find some shorebirds here. Yes, there is. Hi. I don't know how the audio will turn out with this wind condition, but hopefully it's still good. So yesterday I was here and there's like a duck there that it looks like it's about to die. Pasagdan lang na ako. But right now it looks like it's already dead. It looks like that duck was like really sick. So yeah, felt bad, but that's just how it is. And there's this seagull na eating the cadaver of that duck. This seagull is actually really a scavenger. They just eat whatever they see. Could be fish, dead animals, or stuff like that. So actually the main reason why I'm here is I'm looking for shorebirds. There's another seagull over there. Murag nakakuha siyang fish or sa ba? Nay yung gitangag siyang baba. Ngayon, lahig kog para sa video na ba't na po'y seal di rin gawas eh. Itong balik na rin, itong videohan. I used to like sa una kita tag seal sa kuan ra gid mga documentary sa Animal Planet or Net G or Discovery. Karon sinasa lang magawas dari. Tara. Shucks. Pas kayo. Ang gawas ra niya ang ulo niya, matan-aw siya og kuan. Mura pud sila curious ba og na mga tao. But then pag tan-aw nimo mo upok pud dito. Kita taron tong videohan. Tara. Kani medyo layo na siya, but taas wala akong lens. Usahay guys, duol dyan na siya diha kanang sa bato na siya magtambay. Usahay dito sa Pecas katong part sa island. Matong ko dito usahay. Na yung mga seal po dito, mga duha tulo kabuk na sa bato mag pundo. So marag pa-hide na. Kusog ng bawd padong na daring tubig. Ay bird pod. Mga bird na okay, so Ingani ka fan ang wildlife photography. For me, kanang lingaw jud kaayo. Others are saying na boring kaayo kay di ka katag-an kung makita ba ka og wildlife or dili. Which is true because usahay kanang maglakaw kog forest or woods, like whole day jud na nako nga kuan walk. Usahay pag uli nako pag check nako sa akong camera murag duha or tulo ra ka picture akong nakuha og di pa jud kuan di pa jud nindot pagkakuha nang napoy usahay pag naog pa lang nimo sakyanan na ritso mga kuan mga action like hawks, eagle, mga yana. But yeah, like dili jud siya permanente, but for me it's still fun kay wa kay bound sa mo expect. There it is, akong gipangita. So I don't know if you can see this in GoPro, but they're over there. Video ha. Taray. Koy manual focus. Tara. So I'm just gonna stay here and observe them. Ano po diri? Ayun na. Ito pa ilagan shorebirds dito guys. So actually I started wildlife photography because of those birds, like shorebirds. Okay, I was like really amazed with how resilient these tiny creatures are. I mean, okay, may daghan kay nga bird may padong. So I don't know if you can see that, but take a video of it. I'm gonna be heading home. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you're all safe and in good health, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.
You lifted me up, you sailed me away. The world keeps on turning, the struggle's never